Hello class, Mr. Geisler here today. And today we're talking about relations. And what we're going to do is relate two variables to each other, x and y. As you know, we have the x-axis, we have the y-axis, and points are related. They're always written in this form. Remember, x comma y. X comes first, y comes second, just like it's alphabetical. So today we're going to express the relation with these 3 points as a table, a map, and a graph. So 3 different representations. So the first thing is, what is x and y for each of these? So I can even label these x and y, okay? So what are my x's? My x's are -2, 3, and 4. So I'm going to put those in here. -2, 3, and 4, okay? And that's going to be my x's. Now what are my y's that are related to, like -2 is related to -1. So that's related, okay? And that's what we mean by relations. They're together, okay? 3, 3. So 3 goes with 3. And finally, 4, 3. 4, 3, that's a pair. Remember, these are called ordered pairs, okay? Remember, because they're paired together, okay? It's like when you pair anything together, like a pair of shoes or a pair of mittens, okay? So now, the x's here, we're going to do what's called a map. This is the table over here. This is our table. The map maps them to each other. So, for example, -2 maps to -1, okay? 3 maps to 3. And finally, 4 maps to 3. Now, we can have, and sometimes numbers will be the same, like 3 maps to 3 and 4 maps to 3. And we'll look at that on the graph. What does that look like? So, in this case, let's do the ordered pairs. Do you remember how to graph an ordered pair? -2, -1. Remember, this is 0, right? This is the origin. So I'm going to count 2 to the left on the x-axis. This is x. So -1, -2. And now I'm going to go down 1 on the y-axis because this is -1 right here. So down 1. So -2, -1 is going to be right here. Okay? So this is a -2, -1. And I'm going to label that. Okay? I'm going to label that ordered pair. Now 3, 3. X is 3. 1, 2, 3. And then up 3 on the y-axis. Up 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is 3, 3. Okay. Now 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over 4, up 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is the ordered pair 4, 3. Notice these two are right across from each other. Okay. So that is a graph representation. So we've done the table, the map, and a graph. Okay. Now, we're going to determine the domain and the range. The domain is all the x values. Where can I find all the x values? Oh, I put them in a table over here. So the domain is this set right here, which is -2, 3, and 4. Okay? And then the range is all the y values. Where can I find the y values? Oh, right here under the y column. -1, 3, and 3. So -1, 3, and 3. Okay. And this is like a bracket thing here. Remember that. It's got 3 little humps. So this shows the range, what the y values are. This shows what the x values are. So this relations can lead into functions, and we're talking about those as well. But this is how we express relations as a table, a map, and a graph.